Welcome to TechSphere. SpaceX just made headlines with its $350 billion valuation, a milestone Starship test flight, and growing dominance with Starlink in remote regions like the Amazon. Elon Musk is not just pushing boundaries, he's redefining the future of space exploration and global connectivity. If you're passionate about the latest in tech and space innovation, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Let's dive right into SpaceX's game-changing updates and Musk's ultimate vision for humanity. Starship's milestone test flight. On November 19, 2024, SpaceX conducted the 6th test flight of its Starship rocket, marking another milestone in its development journey. Starship is designed to be the world's most powerful rocket, capable of carrying humans to Mars and beyond. This test demonstrated significant progress, particularly with the first successful ignition of a Raptor engine in orbit. However, not everything went according to plan. The much-anticipated attempt to catch the booster with the Mechazilla robotic arms had to be cancelled due to a communication failure with the launch tower's computer. Instead, the booster performed a controlled splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico. While this wasn't the intended outcome, the controlled landing showcased SpaceX's ongoing advancements in reusability, a critical factor in reducing the cost of space travel. SpaceX's market valuation hits new heights. SpaceX's valuation has soared to an estimated $350 billion, solidifying its position as one of the most valuable private companies in the world. This latest valuation comes amid reports of a potential secondary share sale, allowing existing investors to capitalize on the company's growing success. The increasing valuation reflects not only the success of Starship's development, but also the growing influence of SpaceX's satellite internet service, Starlink. These twin pillars of SpaceX, revolutionary rockets, and global internet connectivity are driving the company's rapid growth and ensuring it remains a dominant force in the aerospace industry. Donald Trump's presence at Starship launch, the political landscape, and SpaceX's technological milestone collided recently when former President Donald Trump attended the November Starship launch in Texas. Trump's presence highlighted the growing interplay between Musk's ventures and political figures, underscoring SpaceX's prominence on both national and international stages. This event also served to emphasize SpaceX's role in advancing U.S. space capabilities, fostering technological independence, and boosting economic opportunities in the aerospace sector. Starlink's expanding footprint in Brazil. In addition to its achievements in space exploration, SpaceX is making waves with its satellite internet service, Starlink. In Brazil, Starlink dominates the satellite internet market, controlling 46% of the sector. This is particularly impactful in remote regions like the Amazon, where traditional internet infrastructure is scarce. However, the Brazilian government is actively seeking to reduce its reliance on Starlink by inviting competition from other providers, such as the Chinese firm SpaceX. This move reflects the complex dynamics of SpaceX's global expansion and highlights the challenges of operating in diverse political and regulatory environments. Elon Musk's vision for humanity. While SpaceX's recent achievements are impressive, they are just stepping stones toward Elon Musk's grander vision, making humanity a multiplanetary species. Musk envisions a future where humans can live on Mars, ensuring the survival of our species in the face of potential existential threats on Earth. Starship plays a central role in this plan. Designed to carry up to 100 passengers, Starship will be the workhorse for establishing a sustainable human presence on Mars. Musk has even suggested timelines, proposing the first human missions to Mars could occur within the next decade, depending on technological progress and funding. But Musk's vision isn't limited to Mars. He sees SpaceX as a catalyst for enabling humanity to explore the broader solar system, from mining resources on asteroids to building colonies on other moons. Musk's ambitions push the boundaries of what we consider possible. The role of Starlink In SpaceX's future, Starlink is more than just an internet service. It's a cornerstone of SpaceX's long-term strategy. By generating significant revenue, Starlink funds the development of Starship and other ambitious projects. Musk has described Starlink as a cash cow that supports SpaceX's mission of making space exploration more accessible. Starlink's impact extends beyond financials. By providing high-speed internet to remote and underserved regions, it fosters global connectivity and bridges the digital divide. This aligns with Musk's broader vision of using technology to improve life on Earth while simultaneously preparing for life beyond it. Challenges on the horizon. Despite its successes, SpaceX faces several challenges. The development of Starship, while groundbreaking, is a complex and costly endeavor. Each test flight costs millions, and perfecting the technology will require time and resources. Regulatory hurdles are another significant challenge. Expanding Starlink's global footprint means navigating diverse regulatory frameworks and addressing concerns about monopolies and market dominance. Additionally, Musk's vision of colonizing Mars faces skepticism from scientists and policymakers. Questions about the feasibility of sustaining human life on Mars, ethical considerations, and environmental impacts remain unresolved. The future of SpaceX. Looking ahead, SpaceX has a busy roadmap. Upcoming test flights of Starship will focus on refining reusability and achieving full operational status. These tests are critical for enabling future missions to the Moon under NASA's Artemis program and, eventually, to Mars. Starlink, meanwhile, continues to expand its coverage, with plans to introduce enhanced services for businesses and governments. SpaceX is also exploring partnerships with other industries, such as aviation and maritime, to provide internet services in challenging environments. Beyond these immediate goals, SpaceX is investing in next-generation technologies like in-orbit refueling and advanced propulsion systems. These innovations are crucial for making deep space exploration a reality and advancing Musk's vision of a multiplanetary future. Why SpaceX matters. SpaceX is more than a private company. It's a symbol of what humanity can achieve when ambition meets innovation. By pushing the boundaries of space exploration and connectivity, SpaceX is not only transforming how we view the cosmos, but also how we live and communicate here on Earth. Whether it's the dream of walking on Mars, the reality of global internet coverage, or the inspiration of technological breakthroughs, SpaceX represents a brighter, more connected future. What do you think about SpaceX's latest achievements and Elon Musk's vision for the future? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on the latest in tech,